wena thula esethi ufunani emotweni endoda yami ufunani emotweni endoda yami ukhuluma nawe baby girl ngitokulimata uyangiva ukuthi uyangiva ukuthi uyangiva la ngithi utolimala
sesi wena dedele ku-avoid idrama nyalo phela
ufunani emotweni
akayehle ngoba sesibafuna abafuni loko la
ingivalele ifoni imini yonke ngenxa yakho
utongena ngala bavulele sivalo
uyenza ufunani emotweni ama-drive through udlimale abantu abami
mina ngi-cab drive.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Kune viral video leseculator lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana yasisi lobambe indoda yakhe ichitha ke sana njengoba sembona ukwade uganele inwabo lapha emotini ukhuluma nale ntombatana uzentombatana idla imali abantu abayo hey babhizi badla kudla kwabo drive through na ufuna nemotini endoda yakhe and I'm like what. May this kind of love never locate me kesana because what the embarrassment nkosi yami. What about this Demasa girl? And into lenqako yathi bafati bayathanza ukukhulumela amadoda because why eme wakhuluma nentombatane because nangu guy ukhona nje la wayengokhuluma naye ukuthi wendani nale ntombatane why ukhulume na girl ukuthi girl ufunani emotini endoda yakho as if udingenele. It really doesn't make sense. Bafati bayathanza nkosi yami ukukhulumela amadoda bayathanza kuti embarrass acabanga nje soya trend ngala uvela amaphenti la brown. It's just so sick and sad. Ndlela abafati balula ngakhona amadoda. Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.